7 of Aaron Clemens. He had to move very hard.
Clemens took a big shot in the practice rounds up in turns 3 and 4. All right, green flag set to fly. John, we'll let you bring them down to Chief Starter Gage Osborne's green.
2 by 2, tailgates up, gas pedals ready to be mashed. Green flag is out, and Dangerous Dave Koenig will take the lead in the turn number 1.
Koenig down low, Andrew Morin on the high side. Keep an eye on your defending champion, Gerard Giordano. Koenig leads them down the backstretch in truck number 97.
Randy Burr flying high in 4th right now, but he's got all kinds of competition to the inside. Here he comes. It's Dirty Love, Duane Noll.
Giordano into the 2nd spot. The battle is for the 3rd spot. Noll to the bottom side. Morin up high. It's going to be Noll with the advantage, heading down the back, shooting truck number 2.
Still 2 by 2, stuck to the outside of number 10 of Andrew Morin. Now side by side with the 32. Randy Burr to the inside, up front by a truck length is the 97 of Koenig.
Morin trying to find the rail. He was quick in qualifying, but the outside groove, not where that 10 truck wants to be. Back into the 5th position now as they head down the back straightaway here at the USA.
Jason Ferreira trying to get a spot on number 94. And Tony McGrady right behind them. Here he comes. It's up now. John Studley in the 31.
Veteran Dangerous Dave Koenig in truck number 97 trying to run away from the 15 of Gerard Giordano. Battle for 3rd starting to shape up now between Noll and the 32 of Burr.
Still side by side, McGrady to the outside, the 24 of Ferreira to the inside. That is for an 8th place position, but those 2 trucks going on a big time up behind them. It's the 31. It's the Potter number 31 doing my job, Studley.
Studley now dives to the bottom side of the 94 truck. He moves himself up a spot. Next is the 21 of Joey Gata. Gata not able to get underneath Naglieri in the 94.
Top 6 trucks trying to pull away from the field, and they're doing a good job of it. The 38 trying to play catch-up. That's Connor Sousa coming in from Riverside. Around Sousa in that beautiful number 38 machine.
Battle for 3rd starting to heat up now. Randy Burr in the 32 and a quicker time trialers earlier in the evening. All over the back bumper of the 2 of Duane Noll. They're all chasing Dave Koenig in the 97.
Also getting quick is the 32 machine. Randy Burr to freeze. He's trying to get to the inside of Monroe, Connecticut veteran driver Duane Noll. Burr picking up wins in late models all across Southern New England.
Your most recent winner, the 32 truck of Randy Burr, trying to make it, the 38 truck of Connor Sousa trying to make his way up into the battle for the top spot, but he's falling back in that 38 truck.
Right in front of him is Andrew Morin. Morin getting better and better each race. He's got a top 5 going right now, trying to catch the leaders in that number 10 car concrete Chevrolet.
Koenig starting to open up his gap over Giordano. Giordano trying to keep him within striking distance. Right behind him, they battle for that 3rd spot once again, John.
Here comes that 32 machine of Burr. That truck has been quick all season long, and Tyler, it's hard to keep that forward at bay, but Duane Noll doing a good job right now.
Noll fending him off a moment, but Burr finally gets to the bottom side. They're side by side down the back straightaway. Gives the 3rd spot to the 32.
He's flying, coming in from Middleborough, Massachusetts. Randy Burr picks up that 3rd spot. Now he sets his sights in the tailgate of the number 15, the K1 Logistics machine, driven by Gerard. We got trouble between turns 3 and 4.
Of the year for these trucks.
Yeah, I'd keep my eye on the 97, 32, and 10. They could definitely do some sweeping here and get into the top 3. 97 with the pole to the inside. Once again, tailgates are up, and these guys are ready to fly here as the green flag gets ready to wave and does. On the gas, 97 coming.
Giordano has a pretty good start on that outside groove. Oh, a truck through the infield. That is the 38 truck of Connor Sousa down through the grass.
He may have gained a couple of positions there, Tyler. A pretty good move and a great piece of driving by Connor Sousa in that number 38 machine. And he's still getting the grass off the tires out of that sucker.
Giordano not going around the outside groove. Randy Burr right there at the 3-car breakaway. Look at Giordano hanging tough on the outside of the USA Speedway.
Gerard getting it down to the outside, begging for some grip. Here comes the 97, drifts a little bit high, get over the door for the 32 Burr.
Koenig went way up the racetrack, drove Giordano up the racetrack, and that allowed Burr to the bottom side. New leader down the back, shoots the 32 of Randy Burr.
Randy Burr getting it done in the forward. He is your leader going into turn 3. Dangerous Dave goes back to 2nd.
Look at Duane Noll now. He peeks his nose down underneath the 97 of Koenig. Koenig going to get hung out to dry on the outside groove. Duane Noll moves underneath.
A heartbreaker for Dangerous Dave to the outside now. Inside is the number 2 truck of Duane Noll. Dirt track out of turn 2. Now into turn 3, still side by side.
Side by side, leaning on each other just a little bit down the front chute. Koenig fighting hard on the outside groove to try to stay in spot number 2. Noll fighting on the bottom side by side as they head down the back chute.
As those 2 drivers battle it out, the 19, the 10, the 31, all gaining strength. But that last restart really hurt him. That truck seemed to slip and slide there out of turn number 4.
Trying to defend that lead from the 15 of Giordano, but he wasn't protecting the bottom side, and Randy Burr took full control of that bottom side, open and wide open. All right, green flag set to fly. Take it away.
All right, slow and smooth into turn 4. Going to get to the stripe. Green flag will wave. Off and under lane. But a textbook start for Randy Burr.
Burr gets the jump. The battle's going to be from second on back. Koenig right to the rear bumper of Burr. Third spot is the battle now down the back chute. Koenig pushing the 32 of Burr down into turns 3 and 4.
Yeah, some love taps there going out of turn number 2 by the 97. He's still over the rear tailgate. Here comes Dangerous Dave Koenig. He's looking to get that 97 back to the lead.
Good hard racing for that third spot as well. Noll on the bottom side, your defending champion. Giordano on the high side. Giordano inching in front now on the high side in truck number 15.
Not an easy pass against Duane Noll. Noll drifts up just a touch. Giordano able to hold on to it. Still side by side. Still a great battle for the lead.
Koenig not going away. All over the rear bumper of Randy Burr for the top spot. Top 2 are broken away as they race side by side for that third spot. Giordano once again inching in front in the 15.
Looks like Koenig lost a little grip out of turn number 2. Banks off just a bit from the 32s and trying to reel him back in. They were thinking 3 wide under the stripe there with a turn of Andrew Morin trying to get to the inside of Duane Noll.
Just like that, Andrew Morin has joined the party for the final podium spot. 3 trucks going at it. It's Noll in the 2, the 15 of Giordano, and now Morin in the 10.
Well, that is a classic battle there for that third position. Giordano not going away. Duane Noll wishing he would to the outside still, and Giordano's going to get the advantage. We're going to be halfway home. 3 wide down the backstretch.
3 wide down the backstretch. Giordano comes out with the third spot. Morin able to get down underneath into 4th. Noll gets relegated all the way back to the 5th spot, halfway home at the line.
Andrew Morin's got him around. He's going to try to get to the inside of Gerard. Gerard slips sliding out of turn number 2. Morin doing the same. Still trying to catch that rear tailgate of Giordano.
Well, I think we were right about our bet earlier in the race. That 32 of Randy Burr is trying to open up his gap. Koenig hung with him for a couple laps, but the 32 of Burr is smooth sailing at the front of this field as they head down the backstretch.
The creamsicle covered number 32 of the Freeze. Randy Burr, he's got about 3 truck lengths. Koenig in second. Giordano in third. Morin fourth, and running out your top 5 is Dirty Love Duane Noll.
Field stringing out just a little bit now. They're all chasing Randy Burr. Giordano did a nice job on that outside groove to hang on to that third spot. Morin trying to reel him back in to crack the top 3.
Starting to spread out just a bit here, keeping it safe, keeping it fast. Right after the leaders, you got the 38 of Souza, and then the 31 machine, John Studley. Studley, a long-time veteran at Seacock Speedway with many post-start victories.
McAlery right behind him in the 94 truck. Then it's Jason Ferrer in the 24, Gata in the 21, and Thompson in that 87. Round out your grid. Battle for third, heating up now.
Got 33 laps complete this time by, and the 32 is getting it done. 5 truck lengths now ahead of the 97 machine. Koenig still trying to reel him in with a beautiful red, white, and blue grill of the number 97 machine.
If I'm not mistaken, that 32 of Burr looking to go back-to-back here in the southern New Hampshire region. Picked up the win at the Hudson International Speedway over in Hudson a couple weeks ago, and he's looking to get it done here tonight at the USA Speedway here in Lee.
Yeah, Randy also got it done at Claremont in our season opener, so he was a winner. He likes New Hampshire, I guess. He was a winner at Claremont, and again last week at Hudson.
He's on that New Hampshire swing for sure, and he's getting it done. He's mopping them up here in New Hampshire in that 32 truck. Koenig runs second, and Giordano slipping and sliding, still hanging on to spot number 3.
Looks like Jason Ferrer trying to catch the back of the front runners with that 24 machine. He's hitless as he goes into turn number 2, trying to catch the rear tail of the 94, Tony McGrary.
Koenig still not falling too far behind your leader, Burr. Looks like he's starting to reel him in just a little bit. Has to do about a car length, 2 car lengths as they head down the backstretch. Keep an eye as the laps start to tick away here.
Yeah, no doubt about it. You got to wonder, Randy Burr had to fight for that lead. Did he use up some tires in that number 32 truck? Meanwhile, Koenig is definitely coming. And boy, I'll tell you, that would be a big win for Dave Koenig. He's had a hard luck here at Lee USA Speedway, including a last lap wreck during one of the Oktoberfest events a couple of years back.
I do remember that. We'll keep an eye on if they catch lap traffic. Plenty of laps left. Jim Thompson will be the first truck to go lap down in that 87, and they're catching them pretty quickly. Could get very interesting which way it plans out for your leader, Randy Burr.
Yeah, lap traffic could definitely be an issue here. Thompson would be the first one in line for that. Then Joey Gator. Gator continues to have his heartbreaking season in that Pro number 21 machine. And I tell you, we're expecting a lot more out of Joey. But once they get that truck going, he's going to be quick and running with the leaders.
Chief starter Steve Grand making sure these lap trucks know which lane to pick as your leaders are coming, and they're coming in a hurry. 40 down, 15 to go at the line this time by for your leader, Randy Burr.
You got Burr, you got the 97 of Koenig and the 15 of Gerard. Here comes the lap traffic. Koenig's going to take, Burr's going to take the high road around Thompson. Thompson, no problem there. Good job by Randy Burr.
Stays out of your leader's way, gives him the outside groove. We'll see what happens when they catch the 21 of Joey Gator as Koenig unable to make any ground as they went around the 87 of Thompson.
I notice as Burr comes out of turn number 4, the 32 gets quite sideways. And that's when the 97 sees it start rolling him in just a little bit. Here comes another lap car, truck rider of Joey Gator.
Once again has the open lane on the outside groove, passes him with no issues. He's got a lot of open racetrack up ahead of him. Koenig's got to get by him quick, but Burr opens up the advantage down the back chute.
Yeah, Burr got around the 21.5, but Koenig did not make the pass as clean and easy. And now Burr opens up maybe 5-6 truck lengths over Dave Koenig.
Giordano solidly in that third spot. The 10 of Morin was on him for a few laps, but the 15 a little bit better on the longer run, slipping and sliding that time, exiting turn number 2.
The Deuce still elbowing himself. That is a Duane Noll running in the 5th position right now with the Deuce right behind him. It is the number 38 of Kyle Souza.
Up front, Randy Burr opening up his gap. Up 10 fingers in the air this time by from Chief Starter Gage Osborne. 10 laps to go for your leader, Randy Burr on the 32.
And there he is. Burr sweeps across the start-finish line in that beautiful number 32 machine. That truck has been hard to beat this year. Randy Burr on the outside and pull away.
Yep, Koenig stuck with him for a while, but the long run is what Randy Burr needed. He is taken off from Dave Koenig. Giordano ways back in that third spot. Then it's Morin and Duane Noll in the 2, your top 5.
Looks like the 31 starting to close in on Souza. Souza in the 38, and it looks like the 31 machine of John Studley tries to run him down.
Studley has been working all race long to try to catch that back bumper of Souza in that 38. Closing stage to this one. Not sure if he has enough time to get up there, but we do know one thing. That 32 of Burr is on rails down the back stretch.
Yeah, no doubt about it, running laps. Oh, we got trouble right here in the front stretch of the 24. Ferrara almost goes around. Good piece of driving there. Kind of looked like Joey Chitwood down right here in the front stretch.
He was about 90 degrees when I looked down at that 24 truck. He gathered up. We stay green to close this one out here tonight.
Laps are dwindling down. There'll be 6 to go this time by. 6 laps to go. Lap 49 in the books. And your leader, it is a 32. Can anybody stop the 32 machine of Randy Burr?
5 fingers in the air this time by for Burr, your leader. He's caught the tail end of the field once again. The 87 of Thompson set to go 2 laps down at the line. 5 laps to go for Burr.
Burr just keeps him getting quicker and quicker. That 32 knocking off one of his quickest laps of the race. 2 laps to go, and he gets around the 87. Looks like Thompson's gone to the infield, so his night is over. Tax-free JT goes to the infield.
Tough break for one New Hampshire driver in the field. Dublin, New Hampshire's Jim Thompson pulls off a little bit early here tonight. Maybe just wanted to stay out of your leader's way there to close out tonight's 55-lap main event.
Under the jet sign, it's a 32. It's a beautiful sight. It is Randy Burr. But the 97 seems to be closing up again. Maybe a 4 or 5 truck length advantage now. As the 97 Koenig seems to be coming, but laps are dwindling.
3 laps to go. Not sure if they're going to catch the 24 Ferrer. Burr's got a long ways to go to get there. Popsicle sticks in the air this time by from Chief Starter Gage Osborne.
Up front, it's Randy Burr. 4 truck length advantage over the 97 of Koenig. Koenig begging for a crash and begging for anything, trying to get to the rear tailgate of that number 32, but it's not happening, Tyler.
I think every driver behind that 32 of Burr would love a caution right now, but I don't think it's going to happen. White flag in the air this time by Gage Osborne, set to show it to the 32 of Randy Burr.
1 lap to go on the extra Realty Pro Truck Challenge with Randy Burr holding down the 4-3 truck lengths back as the 97 of Dangerous Dave down the backstretch one last time under the NASCAR sign. It is the 32 of Randy Burr coming out of turn number 4. And the other thing in his way is Ferrara. There's no problem. Randy Burr goes to victory lane for win number 3 on the 2020 racing season. Randy Burr, the
Hampshire. He has swept the New Hampshire races in the first 3 races for the Exeter Realty Pro Truck